What is up, Tooligans? It's your boy 2 times here at Pro Tools Approved. Yet again, I've got something a little different for today's video. It's not your mainstream tool brand, but it is really awesome. Check this out. Let's go. And this was nice enough to be sent to me from the company Melif, Me Life, Melif. That one right there. Yeah, they're on Amazon. They've got a whole line of stuff. If it's red, it fits a red battery. If it's yellow, it fits a yellow battery. If it's teal, it fits a teal battery. You get what I'm saying. Got their digital soldering station here. And I'll tell you what, out of the box, was super impressed instantly. Not for any reason, for anything you see right here, but opening it up, I saw this. And in the box, it came with this. So it's AC or DC. Talk about convenience. Let's fire it up here on the Milwaukee IA battery. I mean, I'll tell you, first off, just the quality of the casing, it is very heavy. It is very sturdy. There is zero flimsiness to this. I mean, it is, you can feel it in your hand. It's solid. It's got some, I don't know, some gumption to it. Click us on, and we are up. On the side here, there is a rocker switch. Now, looking at this, I would expect a high and a low. That's not what that was. Rocker switch is AC DC. Up is DC. Down is AC. Look, I got it set at 914. Look how fast that's heating up. Look how fast that's heating up. Let me put this in the holder. Alright, so we should be at about 914 right now, right? I mean, it's instantly hot. Instantly hot. But in the middle changes Fahrenheit, Celsius. It's your plus and minus on the temperature. Just hold it down and it'll go a whole lot quicker. The bottom number there, right there, is what it's set at. It takes a second for the temperature to catch up as it's cooling or heating. Catches up pretty quick as it slows down. And there we are, we're at 617. Right about. Yeah, you guys get the idea. There we are, 617. Let's bring it back up to 932, I believe, is the max. Already up 932. Let me turn this off. Take this off the battery. And plug it in here with the AC. Oh, gonna have to slide everything over here. Just not far enough. There we go. Now we are plugged in on the. Ooh, damn! I grabbed that on the other side. Woo, that was hot. Let's not do that again. Here's a rocker switch here. We're gonna switch that up to the DC, nothing. Down to the AC, and the screen fires up. Now we are getting heated up again, not being on a battery. Don't do what I did. Don't reach over on the far side there. Singe your skin. That quick. That quick. That's the fastest soldering iron I've ever seen heat up. Let's get to some soldering. I do give you a nice 3-foot cord here. The handle for the soldering iron is plastic with a nice, soft, comfortable rubber grip here. The tip that comes in there is small, and that's the tip that's there. This doesn't come apart in any other way other than right out. Twist that back in there. Okay, now I've given this a while to cool. It is off the cool to the touch again. Just wanted to show you how fast that this heats up. Flying on up there. Just that quick. We are at max temperature, 932. Turn this down a little bit. Never really want to run it at max. A little too far. I'm looking at the wrong number as I'm clicking that down. There we go. I don't really have too much anything that needs to be soldered around the shop, but well, you know what? I don't have any. That's solid wire. Get some flux core wire out here. There we go. And you can see this is larger flux core wire. See how quick that melts it up? No issues. So, if you're looking for a portable soldering station, battery powered, that you could take with you, check them out on Amazon, Mellif. They've got a full line of other tools from transfer pumps to air pumps, air blowers, hand tools. They've got quite a selection. Check them out. Pro Tools approved.